All right, so we're going to take another look at how to use textual evidence and cite it effectively. So last forum, we talked a little bit about introducing our quotes, and now we're going to look at the technique called the sandwich technique. So the quote sandwich develops our textual evidence by both introducing it and explaining it once we've included that quote into our writing. So this is really benefits the reader or whoever is reading your piece, because for the reader it separates the writer's ideas from someone else's ideas. So whoever you are quoting or whatever textual evidence you are using, it'll separate your ideas from that author's ideas. It also connects someone else's ideas to the writer's ideas. So using this technique is just a good way to connect back to your claim. It also helps readers understand the quote and why it supports the writer's thesis statement, and it explains the context of the quote. So in the next slide, we will look at ingredients.